more concept in the financial market that is related with the money market. What is money market? Nature of money market. Then what are the various instruments which are being dealt in the money market? We will be discussing each and everything in this session. So I have drafted few things for you. These things are already written on the board. So we will understand all the things, okay, like this. What is money market? Meaning, as the name suggests, money market, the market in which we can buy the money, or which is the market which is there for raising the funds. But which type of funds? As we have already discussed in the previous session, that there was a capital market which was there to raise the funds for the long term period by long term sources. So this is the market which will be there for you to raise the funds for the short term period. Okay, if you need the funds for a short term period, let's say for maximum period of 1 year, then you can get the funds from the money market. So it is said that buying and selling of short term government and corporate debt securities will be dealt in the money market. Okay, so money market, it is that market where we are buying and selling those securities, the government and the corporate securities, which are not issued for more than 1 year. The maximum time period is 1 year only. That's why it is known as the market through which we can raise the funds for a short term period. Okay. Nature, the feature of this market. Short term financial asset. It is the market which is dealing in the short term financial asset. That means we can borrow the money for a short term period and that money can be converted into cash. Okay. That instrument or debt security can be converted into cash within 1 year or maximum 1 year only. Sources, the sources through which we can do all these things. Indirectly issued by Reserve Bank of India, all the commercial bank, cooperative banks, LIC, GIC and UTI organization. These are the various participating institutions in this market. It is not an exclusive market. It is not an exclusive market. कोई अलग से market नहीं है. Because some of the sources are common in money market as well as the capital market, like commercial bank and financial institution. Both are there in money market and capital market. So it is not an exclusive market. And these are providing the funds for the long term and mid term. So here short term, mid term, both type of loan can be raised by you in the money market. Okay, in capital market it was long term, mid term. So here also you are getting the mid term loans also. Okay, so there it is said that it is not an exclusive market. इसलिए इसको कहा गया है कि ये exclusively कोई अलग से market नहीं है. Then comes the instruments which are being dealt in this market. इस market में अगर अपने को पैसा लेना है तो which type of securities should be issued for raising the funds. So instrument we have discussed in detail here. Treasury bill. The first instrument is treasury bill. Treasury bill issued by RBI on behalf of the Central Bank of India. RBI indirectly इसको issue करती है on behalf of the apex banking institution of India. It is a short-term security ranging between 14 days to 364 days. 14 days से लेकर के मैक्सिमम 364 दिन के लिए ये सिक्योरिटीज इशू की जाएंगी. इट मे बी 14 days, it can be of 91 days, it can be of 182 days and maximum 364 days. ठीक, तो चार रेंज है, 14 दिन, 91 days, 182 days के लिए भी ले सकते हैं एंड 364 days के लिए भी आप लोन रेज कर सकते हैं. Then face value of each security is 25,000 rupees. हर security, हर instrument का एक face value. In the multiple of 25,000 only you can raise the funds. If you want to invest 75,000 rupees, 25,000 के 3 units If you want to invest 90,000 rupees, then it is not possible. After that you have to make an investment of 1 lakh only. तो 25,000 के मल्टीपल में इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा. It is no interest or zero coupon bond. No interest or zero coupon means the rate of interest is not defined. आप जब इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे तो what you will be getting in return? Why you are investing the money? As an investor आप पैसा क्यों लगा रहे हैं? तो you want something in return. So here what you will be getting in return? The difference between the face value and the redemption value. Face value 25,000. तो जब भी आप ये वाली सिक्योरिटीज में इन्वेस्टमेंट करेंगे तो you will be paying less than this face value. आपको अमाउंट जो है फेस वैल्यू से कम देना पड़ेगा, पर जब आप रिटर्न वापस लेंगे तो रिटर्न आपको पूरा फेस वैल्यू का जो अमाउंट है वो मिलेगा. मान लीजिए 25,000 का एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट, तो आपको पैसा जब सामने देना है तो यू विल बी गिविंग ओनली 24,500 रुपीज, बट आफ्टर द टाइम पीरियड इज ओवर, जो भी आपका एक टाइम रेंज है, you will get 25,000 rupees full. So that's why it is said that it is a zero coupon or no interest bond. इस पे इंटरेस्ट का रेट डिफाइन नहीं किया जाता है. So this is all about treasury bill. Now we will see interbank call money. What is interbank call money? That is the borrowing and lending by banks to meet their short-term financial requirement. एक बैंक दूसरे बैंक को लोन देती है for meeting their short-term financial requirement. Basically, when the banks are giving the higher amount of loan and they are not able to get the refunds or repayments on time, their CRR goes down. Cash reserve ratio कई बार होता है बैंक का कम हो जाता है. That is the minimum amount of cash which should be kept by bank. So, in order to maintain their cash reserve ratio, they are taking the loan from the other bank. वो दूसरी बैंकों से लोन लेते हैं. So this loan period is from 1 day to 15 days only maximum. This period of loan is from 1 day to maximum 15 days only. So the banks which have taken the loan from the other bank, they have to repay that money during this time period only. Okay? So this is interbank call money, जहाँ पे एक बैंक दूसरी बैंक की मदद करता है. Commercial paper. Okay, commercial paper is also one of the instrument. It is an unsecured promissory note. ये एक unsecured promissory note है. There is no security, but this is issued by a highly credit rating organization. This type of instruments are issued by an organization which have a good credit rating in market. जिनकी मार्केट में फाइनेंशियल क्रेडिट रेटिंग बहुत अच्छी है, these type of institutions or organization are issuing this commercial paper. क्योंकि आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए, सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए सिक्योरिटी चाहिए, बट हियर इट इज अनसिक्योर्ड. यहाँ पे अनसिक्योर्ड है, पर आपके पास एक फेथ है, एक ट्रस्ट है, बिकॉज द company or the agency or the organization which is issuing this security is a highly credit rating agency in the organization in the market. उसकी financial crediting बहुत अच्छी है, तो you are investing that money. And commercial paper, one commercial paper is of the denomination of 5 lakh rupees. एक कमर्शियल पेपर में अगर आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है, अगर कमर्शियल पेपर से आपको लोन रेज करना है, तो मिनिमम अमाउंट डिनोमिनेशन 5 लाख का लोन रेज होगा, एंड देन इन द मल्टीपल ऑफ दैट ओनली इट विल टेक प्लेस. 5 के बाद वो 10 लाख होगा, वो 15 लाख होगा, वो 12.5 नहीं हो सकता है, 7.5 भी नहीं हो सकता है. ओके, सो टाइम पीरियड 15 डेज टू 1 ईयर, और इसका टाइम रेंज है मिनिमम 15 दिन के लिए होता है और मैक्सिमम 1 साल पूरा. दैट इज 1 ईयर मींस 365 days, and here what we have seen that it is 364 days, less than 1 year. ट्रेजरी बिल में 364 दिन है, कमर्शियल पेपर इज कंप्लीटली 365 days. Okay, this is also another instrument through which you can raise the funds from the money market. Then comes certificate of deposit. This certificate of deposit are issued by the bank and they are issued from the time period of 7 days to 365 days in India. भारत में ये 7 दिन से लेके 365 दिन का एक शॉर्ट टर्म पीरियड लोन. So what you are doing as an investor, you are depositing the money in the bank for a certain time period, and after that time period is over, you will be getting the returns, that is the principal amount with a fixed rate of interest, which is already being recorded there on that certificate of deposit, that how much amount you have given to bank and what is the rate of interest which will be provided by the bank to you after a certain time period. Okay, so this is known as certificate of deposit. And trade bill, another instrument. Trade bill, like bills of exchange, we have gone through commercial bill or trade bill. It is that bill which is a written order to pay a certain amount after a specific time period. तो ये चीज हमने 11th क्लास में देखी, bills of exchange, that one party prepares the bill and it is signed by the another party, in which it is mentioned that the amount, specific amount, will be paid by the debtors towards the creditor after the specific time period. So that type of bills are known as trade bills. So these are the various instruments which are being dealt in the money market. So we have discussed that what is money market for you, then we have discussed what are the features of money market, and then we have finally discussed that what are the various instruments which are dealt in the money market. Hope all these discussions which I have done with you, you are able to get the knowledge of money market and the various instruments of money market. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.